My name's Kumud Gandhi. I am a nutritional scientist. I'm the founder of the Cooking Academy. We are a wellness institute and we teach people to cook from a nutritional perspective. My realization about the connection between what you eat, your well-being and your mental and emotional health started at a really young age. Coming from generations of chemists, my parents always used to tell me about the biochemical properties of food and how they interact with our human biology. And so every mealtime was an education. So the immune system is made up of a very complex network of organs, cells, proteins and tissues. And they are designed, and that's within the immune system, within your gut, and they are designed to keep us safe and keep us from harm and enable us to fight those viruses and bugs and fungi and bacteria.
Is there a way of doing that without using CO2?
Yes. What we could actually do is perhaps look at buying locally, buying from butchers where meat isn't in a packaged form, buying from local greengrocers, buying from local farm shops, directly from farms where it doesn't have to go into packaging. Farting is good. We all do it. And it depends on what you eat that will determine whether you have a very fragrant fart or whether it's tolerable. Okay? We are alive and we make noises. We do this, and it's very important.